Deep within the human body, an invisible network is constantly at work. Not nerves, not muscles, but chemistry. Trillions of cells wait in silence, listening for molecular signals drifting through the bloodstream. Signals that control growth, energy, mood, sleep, reproduction, and survival itself. These signals are hormones, chemical messengers carried through the blood to distant targets. Together, they form the endocrine system, the body's slow, powerful communication network. Unlike the nervous system's rapid electrical impulses, endocrine signals travel slowly, yet influence the entire body. Glands are scattered from the brain to the pelvis. The pituitary, thyroid, adrenal glands, pancreas, and reproductive organs. Each releases hormones into circulation, guiding organs far away. Through this chemical network, the body maintains internal stability and homeostasis. At the base of the brain lies a gland no larger than a pea, the pituitary. Despite its size, it plays a major role in the endocrine system. Guided by the hypothalamus, it releases hormones that control other glands. Growth hormone shapes development. TSH activates the thyroid. ACTH stimulates the adrenal glands. Here, the nervous and endocrine systems merge into one unified command center. Wrapped around the windpipe sits the thyroid, regulator of metabolic pace. Its hormones, T3 and T4, determine how rapidly cells convert nutrients into energy. When thyroid activity falls, metabolism slows, fatigue and cold sensitivity follow. When activity rises, metabolism accelerates, producing heat, anxiety, and a rapid heartbeat. Every cell responds to the thyroid's chemical rhythm. Perched above each kidney are the adrenal glands, guardians of the stress response. In danger, they release adrenaline. Heart rate surges, breathing quickens, blood shifts to muscles. The body enters fight or flight. They also release cortisol, regulating long-term stress, metabolism, and daily rhythms. When stress becomes chronic, cortisol reshapes immunity, sleep, and mood. Behind the stomach lies the pancreas, regulator of blood sugar. After eating, glucose rises in the blood. The pancreas releases insulin, allowing cells to absorb this fuel. When glucose falls, glucagon restores it. This balance sustains the brain, dependent on glucose for energy. When insulin signaling fails, diabetes emerges. In ovaries and testes, hormones shape reproduction and biological traits. Estrogen and progesterone regulate fertility and pregnancy. Testosterone supports muscle, bone, and sperm production. During puberty, these hormones transform the body, altering voice, structure, and form. They also influence mood, motivation, and behavior. Hormones act only where receptors exist, molecular locks for chemical keys. When binding occurs, cells respond, genes activate, enzymes shift, activity changes. Unlike nerve impulses, lasting milliseconds, hormonal effects endure minutes, hours, or months. They shape long-term physiological states. To maintain stability, the endocrine system relies on feedback loops. When hormone levels rise, glands reduce production. When levels fall, production increases. This dynamic balance maintains homeostasis, the stability of the internal environment. From growth to metabolism, from stress to reproduction, from development to survival. The endocrine system orchestrates the chemistry of life, an unseen network of glands and messengers keeping the body balanced, adaptive, and alive. Every heartbeat, every change, every moment guided by hormones.